Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Becky. Today I'm picking up the camera because it's my daughter's birthday party today, and yeah. I hate saying this first part, but doesn't matter. It don't. I'm gonna fast forward. They're taking a shower and all that stuff. We're gonna get her cake. I'm about to go pick her little cake up. Pretty much.
So ashamed to overpay for this used car.
My hair looks stiff, but hey, I'm just going to pick up a cake at the store. Hey, say hey, Momo. Say hey. She eating her breakfast. You eating your breakfast, girl? She got some little oatmeal, going. That maple, brown sugar. Is it a brown? Yeah, cinnamon oatmeal. Yeah. Say hey, Momo. Say hi. There you go. Say bye-bye. Okay. Let me go ahead and go. Hey, I'll talk to y'all when I get back. I'll talk to y'all. Sorry, it's dark in here. I know it's dark up in here. Hey. So I'll take me 10 minutes to look for this. Bye, baby girl. See y'all when I get back. Hope it ain't cold because I sure ain't dressed up for the weather. I mean, I don't know what weather it is. It looked like it feels good. It looked like it feels good today. It do. Perfect day. Perfect day. On the weekend. A perfect day. On my day off as well. I feel so good. Have a good day. It's sunny. It's beautiful too. It's beautiful and sunny. You. I don't think you. Like I said, it's dark. Then I'm up. I keep using it wrong. It's like irreversible. Like, you know how a mirror do. I'm grabbing the wrong lashes. I need to get some new ones. I do. I don't really like the vlog, but it's my baby's birthday party today, so bitch, suck it up and have fun, because that's what I'm finna do. Finna have fun today. Hell yeah, I'm about to have fun today. I'm about to have fun as hell today. I want to see how this cake turned out, because hell yeah, that cake costs a lot of damn money. That shit's, well, it's a lot for a baby first birthday, you know. Ain't talking about sweet 16 prices either. I'm talking about just a regular cake from the grocery store. $70, but I hope it look cute. I'm hoping it's cute because it's a pretty mermaid cake. Hopefully it looks very cute. My baby will love. Okay. I'm not sure if I had anything to say, but how my hair look is cute. My hair cute. It looks cuter today because I didn't even put no product in it. I didn't put no product in it. Damn. Man in Houston. I'll be trying to find the quickest way to get there because it's everything is far around here. Everything is a far place. And it's far place and it's tiny, tiny, tiny. Tiny car. I forgot to play some music for myself. But I'm gonna see you guys as soon as I get there. Car, don't do that. Yeah, let me go ahead and drive so I can make it there in one piece. I'll see y'all when I get there, alright? Bye. Yeah, I done left the store already, y'all. Shit. So, yeah. My cake is here. I'ma show y'all later. Right now I'm driving, trying to get where I need to go. So, I'll let y'all later. Yeah, we all set. We ready to head out. So, that's what we doing now. To get a birthday girl. It's so dark in here. Oh well. We heading out. So this is the next thing. See y'all in a minute. Bye. Hey, Twink Twink. Say hey. Get that phone from her. Get it, Twinkie Twink. You just full of shit.
Girl, we finna go anyway, so don't worry about it.
Yeah, I just want to show that y'all her tutu. Girlfriend.
We leaving.
She wanna act crazy, so we finna head out. Mimi, girlfriend. But I am so sorry that I am vlogging kind of weird and strange because I've been trying to rush to get things done. And yeah, I'll put stuff together the best way I can.
Please turn next left, then turn left immediately.
It's the baby right there. Like the cake. Like the cake, the number one, and it fell down. So I'm just leave it like that till we make it there and see what's going on with it, cause I'm gonna know it. It's like her thing. I'm gonna put on her when we get there too. So see y'all when we get there. We're on our way out. Get it, Mimi.
Y'all know dancing at home.
Birthday cake. Huh? What?
Upside down.
Huh?
Upside down.
Oh. Well, I tried. Oh, that is gonna be hard. They ain't gonna look at the camera. Hey! Look, she dancing. She dancing. She got him. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey!
Hey, y'all turn off the way.
Whoever got the best one, send it over to us. Right?
We We done got the best one 'cause they all look. Man.
Yep.
If it's your birthday, come stand up front so we can meet you. Okay, party servers, tell us, who are today's Chuck E. Cheese's birthday stars?
Attention, all Chuck E. Cheese guests, today is a very special day because we are celebrating Morgan's 6th birthday. We're celebrating Layla's 2nd birthday. We're celebrating Adrian's 11th birthday. We're celebrating Dante's 1st birthday. We're celebrating Demaya's 1st birthday. We're celebrating Matthew's 6th birthday and Thomas's 5th birthday.
Help me get his attention and shout along with me. Chuck E. Cheese! 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 Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you have all been waiting for is here. It is with great pleasure I now introduce to you our master of ceremonies, Chuck E. Cheese! Thank you. It's great to be here with you to celebrate these amazing birthday stars. Now, for those of you who don't...
All right, everyone, let's go back to our tables so Chucky can get around, okay?
It's time for the Chuck E. Cheese birthday song and dance.
That's right, Helen. Oh, this is my favorite part of the show. Hi, everyone. You heard Helen and Jasper. It's time for the Chuck E. Cheese birthday song and dance. Don't worry, the steps are really easy. You don't even have to be a good dancer. The important thing is that we're all having fun. Just follow me, and here we go! We say happy, you say birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday! Your hands. Now stomp your feet. Something fast, something dance. Play your guitar. Happy, happy, having fun, you birthday star. Put your hands up, Chuck and Rabbit, Chuck E. Cheese, Chuck E. Cheese. Live and laugh, live and right, and now you're free. We say happy, you say birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Your hands. Now stomp your feet. Yeah, that's it. Now repeat after me. Everybody say, I like to party. I like to party. Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. I like to party. I like to party. Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. I like to party. I like to party. Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. I like to party. I like to party. Now scream. Do it again. We say happy, you say birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Your hands. Now stomp your feet. Happy birthday from Chuck E. Happy birthday to you. Chucky, it's time for cake! Okay, it's time to light those candles! That's right, everyone. It's now time to sing happy birthday to these incredible birthday stars! Count down with me from 10, and then we'll all sing together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sing along! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear! That's it! Happy birthday to you!
Finally came on, I dialed in. Happy birthday, Uncle Baby. I know, look. Look, Amaya, look, Amaya.
She ain't scared at all, boy. She looked at her hand like. I was scared of him when I was little. I ain't like it.
Don't blow them out.
You look like a damn sister. Take your damn ass. Holly, what you doing, mama?
Happy birthday, Ramaya! Yay! Happy birthday! I'm just like happy birthday to you all week, little child.
My baby first birthday. Gonna eat that cake. Going in. It's good, I ain't even eating it. What's your cake, Ramaya?
It's good.
You need here. You got something? Yeah. Oh, you got it.
My baby got her first cake.
I'll take that one.
Yep.
Oh, I forgot.
It's good, Ramaya. She like it. That's a good cake.
Yep. He's going in it.
I ain't going in there.
I'm gonna go in there then. I'm gonna go in there. Yeah, I'm gonna win us some chicken. I'm gonna win us some chicken. They be cheating.
Too tall.
Uber on the way, my phone is charging. You keep calling, I wanna pick it up, but I keep stalling. I feel some type of way it's late at night, babe. I ain't get dressed for nothing, I ain't put on a dress for nothing. So I'm coming, baby. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Yeah, I'm ready for you to wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Baby, can you wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Baby, can you wait for it? Wait for it. Can you? I know you on the way, but now I want it. I can't take it. I'm really trying to chill, but I'm impatient. Stay on my mind. Can't sleep at night. And I ain't get dressed for nothing. I ain't put on a dress for nothing.
Well, hey y'all, we're back at home. I think I got enough that I wanted to view because my camera was starting to die, so that's all I had. Little woman back here, she tucked out. That's the plan. I wanted her to go and be sleepy by the time we get back home. Peace, y'all. Thanks for watching.